Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Hoàng-Anh English class. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Now today I will help you review Unit 7, Unit 8 and Unit 9. Now, did you do your student book and workbook? Very good. Now, let's start. Open page 70 and 71 first. In these lessons, we will review the own words in Unit 7, Unit 8, and Unit 9. Now, you listen and repeat after me. Read a map. Turn left. Go back. Traffic lights. Lost. Turn right. Go straight. Gas station. Brake. Repair. Comfortable. Hard. Soft. Expensive. Cheap. Modern. The future. Travel. The sun. Planets. Rocket. Astronaut. Stars. Spaceship. Okay, now you open your student book, page 70, and you complete the crossword. Look at picture number 1. For example, astronaut. Number 2. What is the word here? They start the letter H and A. Can you guess? Very good. It's hard. Picture number 3. We start the letter R. Can you guess? Exactly. Repair. Picture number 4. What are these? With the letter P? Yes, good job. Planets. Picture number 5. What is this? A star. Good job. It's a star. Number 6. Yes, the arrow points to $10 and the letter start with C. So it's cheap. Number 7. Look at this shoe. And this letter begin with M. Modern. That's right. And the last, look at this. Look at the man. How is he? Yes, he's lost. So do you have the correct answer? Well done. Now, exercise number 2. You write straight, right, left, and traffic lights. So, look at number 1. For example, go straight. Is it correct? Yes. It's done. So, number 2, turn right or turn left. Look at the picture. Look at the man. He say, go straight. Then, good. Turn right. At the traffic lights. At the traffic light, you turn. Look at the picture here. Can you see the error? Yes, you turn left. So, now we will read again the text. Yesterday, I was with my dad outside my house. A man asked, "Excuse me, where's the station?" My dad said, "Go straight, then turn right. At the traffic lights, turn left, and it's in front of you." "Thank you," said the man. "You know the city well?" "That's because I'm a taxi driver," my dad said. Okay, now let's move on. Grammar 2 in Unit 7. Do you remember? When do you use why and because? Good. You use why for questions and use because for answers. Now, look at exercise number 3. Can you see the questions? Yes, with the questions, you write double-edged question why and because for answer. So, number 1, why are you smiling? And number 2, you ask your answer. Yes, you answer because I'm happy. Number 3, is this a question? Yes. So we start with the double-edged questions. Why? Why are you so happy? Because I won this trophy. Why did you win the trophy? I won it because I'm the fastest runner at school. Why are you asking so many questions? Okay, now Grammar 1 and 2 in Unit 8. We will review the adjective of comparative and superlative. With the adjective one syllable, for example, on and big. Comparative, you use older than or bigger than. And with the superlative, you use the oldest or the biggest. Look at adjective ending in Y. For example, happy and friendly. Comparative, how do you write? Good job, happier than, or you can say more happy than. And friendly, you can write friendlier than or more friendly than. We have two ways. So, superlative, we will use the happiest or the most happy, and the friendliest or the most friendliest. We have two ways too. Look at adjective with two or more syllables. Example, modern. Modern has two syllables. Comparative, we use more modern than or less modern than. And superlative, we will write the most modern or the least modern. And the adjective beautiful has three syllables. You can say more beautiful than or less beautiful than. And superlative, we can say the most beautiful or the least beautiful. Do you remember irregular adjective? Yes, we have two adjectives, good and bad. So, comparative with good, we use better than and worse than for. And superlative, we can say the best for good and the worst for bad. So, look at the exercise number 4. Read and write true or false. Look at the picture. We have the orange flowers, the red flowers, the purple flowers, the yellow and white flowers, and the orange flowers here. So, for example, number 1, the orange flowers are the least beautiful. Is it true? Yes. Look at this. The orange flowers, they are the least beautiful. Number 2, the red flowers are the most expensive. Look at the price of the red flowers. Are they the most expensive? Yes, good job. It's $15. They are the most expensive. Number 3, the purple flowers are the cheapest. Look at the purple flowers here. Are they the cheapest? With $3? No, they are not. So, it's wrong. Number 4, the purple flowers are more expensive than the yellow and white ones. Look at the purple flowers and yellow and white flowers. Are they more expensive than? No, they are not. Right? So the sentence is false. Number 5. The yellow and white flowers are less beautiful than the orange one. Look at the yellow and white flower here. Are they less beautiful than the orange one? Yes. No, they are not. So the sentence is wrong. Now, we review grammar 1 and 2 in Unit 9. Do you remember what is the grammar in this? Yes, the future simple tense. With affirmative, the sentence, you will say I will, or we say I'll. With the short form, you will or you'll. We will or will. They will or they'll. He will or he'll. She will or she'll. It will or it'll. So, the negative, we will plus not after will. I will not. Or you say I won't. With the short form, you will not or you won't. We will not or we won't. They will not or they won't. He will not or he won't. She will not or she won't. It will not or it won't. And with the questions, yes, we will write will first. Will I? Will you? Will they? Will we? Will he? Will she? Or will it? And remember the time marker of the symbol future in a month or in a year. Soon, someday, in 50 years, in 2050, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, one of these days, next week, next month, or next year, in the future, or in the near future. So look at exercise number 5. Now you will write will or won't. For example, number 1, when I grow up, I won't have to go to school every day. But number 2, will or won't? Which of? Will. In the future, I will have to go to work. I want to be a pilot, so I will or I won't? Yes, I will. I will have to wear a pilot's uniform. When I'm a pilot, I will travel around the world and I will see lots of places. I will or won't work in an office? Yes, because you are the pilot, so you won't work in an office. So number 6, you write won't. I won't work in an office, but I will sometimes work at night. Now, let's move on exercise number 6. Write the words under the correct headings. Pencil, yogurt, orange, clove, picnic, cucumber, page, police. Now, C says K. What are these? We say picnic and cucumber. Good job. And C says S. We have the word pencils. And which is the word say S? Police. Yeah, good job. C say S. G says G. Yes. What are these? Clove and yogurt. Good job. G says G. And now G says Ch. What are these? Page. Good. And orange. Good job. Well done. Do you have the correct answer? Yes, I hope so. So, review words and grammar from Unit 7 and Unit 9 by yourself. Then you do workbook, page 66 and 67. Finish, you do exercise on Google Form. Review 3. Now, it's time for doing workbook before you checking the answer. Now, check your workbook, review 3, pages 66 and 67. Exercise number 1. You read the underlined words, write them in the correct box. Verbs, adjective, or nouns. Look at the sentence number 1. I bought a new suitcase. So you can see the underline here. Bought is a verb. So you write here verbs in the box. And suitcase, is it a noun or an adjective? Yes, it is a noun. So you write suitcase here in this box. Number 2. This bed is hard. So bed is a noun. And hard is an adjective. Yes, good job. Number 3. My new chair is very comfortable. So, new is an adjective and chair is a noun. Comfortable is an adjective. Right? The sentence number 4. We went on vacation. So just like under went. Went is a verb, adjective, or noun? Yes, good job. Went is a verb. So we write here. And number 5, his toy broke because it was very old. So broke is a verb. And old is an adjective. Number 6, turn left at the traffic lights. Turn is a verb. And traffic lights is a adjective. R is a noun, not adjective. So, exercise number 2, circle the odd one out. Look at this. Number 1, rocket, wheel, astronaut, spaceship. So we circle wheel because it's a verb. Rocket, astronaut, spaceship. They are nouns. Okay? Now, number 2, left, right, straight, and early. What is different? Yes, good job, early. Number 3, repair is different because repair is a verb and they are the same because they are adjective. Number 4, map. Number 5, lazy. Number 6, late. Okay, move on. Exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with had to or have to. For example, yesterday you see the time marker of the symbol past, so we use had to instead for have to. So look at this, number 2. Can you see the time marker of the symbol past? No, so we will write have to. To get to the store, you have to turn right at the traffic lights. Number 3. Can you see the time marker of the symbol pass? Yes, here it is. Didn't. So, the sentence you use had to instead of have to. He didn't do well in his homework, and he had to do it again. Number 4. When they are at the bridge, can you see the time marker of the symbol pass? No, so we use have to here. They have to turn left. Did you correct? Yes, good job. Now, you write the teams in order, best first. So look at this. Green School has 6 baseball teams. So we have 6 baseball teams here. And which is the best? You write first. Of course, the green team is the best. You write the green team first. And then, which is the second? Yes. The red team is the second because the red team is better than the blue team. So the blue team is good. Blue team is third. And we have 3 teams are bad. So look at this. The orange team is bad. So the orange team is fourth. The purple team is worse than the orange team, so fifth is the purple team. And the worst team is the yellow team. The yellow team is the worst of all. So, look at the answer. Are you clear? Exercise number 5. Write the word boxes. We will read together. Zebras, buys, laugh, watches, plays, is, his, foxes, animals, boxes, goes, knows. Now look at the boxes here. S says is. We have the word buys, laugh, is, goes, and S says we have zebras, lays, his, animals, and the last one, S says is. We have watches, foxes, boxes, noses. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. We stop here today. See you next video clip. Now, the next time we will prepare extensive reading, page 72, topic sports. See you next time.